It's tough. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into this car. I dropped everything. I dropped everything for this car. But it's cool. I'm gonna bounce back. I'm gonna bounce right back up, you know what I'm saying? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have been dying, literally dying to make this video for your guys, you know, so make sure to smash the like button, you know what I'm saying? And yes guys, I got my car for $6 grand, salvage title though, and the mileage is 85,000. Guess what car it is, guys? Guess what car it is? You know, ever since when I lost my black FRS 2016, I've been pretty upset, you know, I've been pretty depressed. That's why I haven't been posting as much as, you know what I'm saying? But damn, guess what car it is, guys? You know, now my motivation is back up. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself, you know, I cashed it out, you know, my name, you know what I'm saying? But yes guys, this is like my dream car too, you know what I'm saying? But yes, you guys might be surprised. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will probably know what car it is. But yes guys, let's go see the car in 3, 2, 1, 0! Oh! Bro. Alright guys, so this is the new car. Just barely copped it like 30 minutes ago. Damn, boy. Bouncing right back up, guys. Alright guys, you guys are probably wondering, Cheemeng, why did you got another Scion FRS? Guys, I couldn't resist, and I couldn't pass on this deal. $6 grand for this? I mean, the condition is still pretty good. The engine's still pretty good, the train is pretty good, but the clutch needs to be like replaced, you know what I'm saying? But everything else is pretty good. I mean, the body panels and stuff is kind of bad. Come over here, look, like these. This is like, damn, I don't know what the previous owner did to it, but there's like a dent right here. But damn guys, so the reason why it's salvage title is because it got rear-ended or something, I don't even know. But I changed the tail lights to the 2017 plus because I like those, and then like the rear diffuser is like hella messed up, so it's all good. But then on the passenger side though, it's flawless, guys. Wait. This is a big old dent right there. How come I did not spot that? Oh my goodness, this thing is not flawless. Truly flawless, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, as long as everything's pretty set, I'm pretty satisfied with everything. But yes guys, so like I said, you know, like these Scion FRS, they have bumper sag problems, man. You know, like I said on my other video, they do have, but guys, I'm pretty happy, man. I'm pretty satisfied with this thing, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see, you know. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think about this car for $6 grand, salvage title? What do you guys think about this car, man? You know, I'm pretty happy with it, you know, with this purchase. It's just need spark plug change, throwout bearing change, and that'll be technically all of the maintenance. But now let's go to my future mods. Like, what am I gonna do to it? All right, so besides the maintenance, definitely new headlights for sure, new front bumper, 2017 bumper conversion GT86, new rims, because look at these previous tires, guys. I never knew that these were so bad until I owned them. Right, these are hella bad. And after that, tomorrow I'm gonna get a bash bar. I'm gonna get a rear bash bar tomorrow, so technically I'm gonna cut this whole rear diffuser and put like a dash bar on it and change this exhaust, guys. This exhaust is so bad. Look at my hand compared to this thing. Like, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna put like a single exit, probably a Gretty, you know, RS 3-inch. But we'll see what's up, you know what I'm saying? And after that, this car is gonna be my daily and probably my drift car, guys. So we'll see what's up, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty excited, I'm pretty happy, you know. Make sure to subscribe to follow this build and smash the like button, you know what I'm saying? Bam, pretty happy. Alright guys, so let's go on to the engine bay right now, you know. So as you guys can see, come closer, come closer, don't be shy, you know what I'm saying? Look, the engine bay, it's super dirty, man. Like, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, it looks like it's been through 20 deserts, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna need to clean this whole engine bay, change the air intake because this one is trash, and hopefully everything should be, it looks pretty good, you know what I'm saying? The engine, it all looks pretty good. It's just a little bit dirty right now. So for the interior, everything looks fine except for this rips on the seat, but everything else is pretty flawless. Like the dash shift knob, I changed it back to mine, the shift knob to the Billy Works, but overall the interior looks pretty good. It's just this rip. Alright guys, so like I said, you know, everything runs so smooth. The trans is smooth, shifting is smooth, engine is smooth, everything is pretty smooth. I just need to do all of the oil change, fluid change, whatever change. But damn guys, it's smooth. You guys are probably wondering like, why did I got a salvage title? The reason why I got a salvage title, it is because I'm planning to keep this car for a long time. You know, this is gonna be probably like, I'm gonna keep it till the day I die, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that is why I got this car. If I'm planning to like sell this car for 2 years, I would not recommend anybody getting a salvage title, because salvage title, they are pretty hard to sell. All right, they are pretty hard to sell, but I'm gonna keep this car for a pretty long time, you know, keep it a long time, just project this thing. So we'll see what's up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got this car, I got insurance with this car like nothing. I got AAA, so I think it's a myth of what people say that you can't really find insurance for a salvage title car. I think that's false. I got my insurance within like the next day with this car, so yes, but full coverage for this thing, I don't think it's worth it at all, unless if it's a clean title and you're still doing down payment. I think it will be worth it, but for a salvage title, I do not think it is worth it at all. But yes guys, I'm pretty happy and I'm pretty satisfied with my purchase. What do you guys think down below? You know, comment down below what do you guys think. You know, I'm pretty satisfied and I am pretty happy. You know, are you guys happy with me? It's okay if you're not happy with me, you know. But yes guys, whew, I'm pretty lit, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm not lit, but the car is lit. But damn man, I'm excited for the build. Hopefully you guys are excited as well. I'm pretty happy, you know, ever since when my car crashed. Damn, it's been pretty tough, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we'll see guys, we'll see. Alright guys, so this will be the end of this video, and I got some last word to tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? So like, when I used to have my black FRS, I wasn't as much grateful as I was, but ever since when I lost it, I'm so grateful, and I should appreciate my black FRS even more. But now that I have this car, oh my god, I'm gonna appreciate it a lot. And I truly appreciate it. I am grateful, you know. Always be grateful for everything and everything, literally anything you got or have, because you know, people have it worse, you know, people will have it worse than you. So you know, always be grateful for this thing. I am also grateful for this thing, and also work hard for the things that you want in life, guys. Nothing is handed to you, all right? Nothing will be easy. Just know that I worked hard for this thing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know, it's all good. Just work hard for it, put your mind to it, and you'll get there, guys. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. I'm just a regular person or a regular human too. So if I can do it, you can do it too. I believe in you. And yes, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. You know, check out my channel. If I make pretty decent content, consider subscribing. And yes, guys, remember, I am planning to get the 2022 BRZ or the 2022 GR86. So we'll see what's up. You know what I'm saying? Please, guys, for the meantime, I'll catch you on another video. So dream big and inspire.